Hi guys, it's a dull rainy day. You might even be able to hear the rain outside. So I'm going to sit inside and do one of these little kits. They're paper covered foam. "23 pieces" it says, and it does have a little pullback motor on it. When I first looked at them, I didn't think they did, because it doesn't show it in the instructions and it doesn't mention it anywhere. So let's see if we can put it together. The table's rocking, never mind. Let's see what we can do. Are they numbered? They are. Okay, number 1, where are you? There. Bought these in Biology, which is one of those cheap bargain stores. Does that go in there? I would think that goes in there. It's not entirely clear, but that would be logical. Yeah, that goes in there. Okay, part 1. 2. 2. Must be 2 of them. Yeah, there's the other one. Oh, that's no good. That just ripped right off. Oh well. You'll know not to do it as roughly as that if you do it. 3. 3. We would appear to be finished. Yeah, it works. That was an awful build, I've got to be honest. And those instructions, they really don't show you where the motor goes. And that odd little piece, I've worked it out. It's the steering wheel, that's what it is. Right, yeah, that's the steering wheel. A little bit vague, but there it goes. Right, we've sorted it. Okay, so it is a pullback motor, although, oh yeah, it does work. And that bit there, if you work on it a little bit to loosen it up, you can actually lift the claw, or whatever they call it, bucket. There you go, loosened it up a bit now. Yep, done. Well, we would be if I didn't drop it on the floor. Yes, that was a bit of a struggle. So I'll do a quick resume. The instructions are minimalist. They don't show you the pullback motor. Just there, they sort of point in the general direction of it. But I don't see anywhere there that says put the pullback motor in. So it's in there now. This piece I put in upside down, so the writing is in reverse. If we flick it up and look underneath, the writing is the right way round, if I'd have realised that. And the bit that I really struggled to find was that piece there. I thought that was supposed to go under here somewhere, but it's the steering wheel. So there we go. It does work. You need to work on this a bit to loosen it up so you can actually lift it up and down. The bucket, or whatever they call that bit. And it does, the pullback motor does work. Just about. Oh, come on. It was going a little bit better than that. Yeah. So, oh, it's going now. Yeah. So, yeah, it works, but pretty horrifying to put together, to be honest. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.